Welcome back to CryptoFollow channel. Today we will talk about MACD indicator. MACD indicator is one of the few indicators that actually shows when a trend is gaining speed and when it's time to take a profit and exit the trade on different time frames. Right now I will show you how we can set up MACD separately for swing trading. For example, it can be the weekly time frame and intraday trading, and give you some simple but really useful strategies. MACD sounds scary, but the logic of this indicator is pretty simple. It's just the difference between the fast and the slow EMA. Essentially, the indicator shows how far the current price is running from the old average. To this difference, they add another smoother EMA, that's the signal line. The histogram shows the distance between these two lines. The taller the bars, the stronger the trend momentum. MACD answers 3K trader questions. First, who's stronger right now, bulls or bears? When the MACD is above 0, buyers dominate. Below 0, sellers dominate. Second question, how strong is the momentum? Big histogram bars mean strong movement. Histogram comparison warns that the trend is fading. Third one is reversal breathing. When the price makes a new high, but MACD doesn't, that a divergency and the fat hint that endless growth doesn't exist. Now to the good stuff. MACD setting that actually work for swing trades. The classic that almost every trader start with the basic one, 12, 26 and 9. It's a balance between the reaction speed and the noise filtering. Perfect for 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame and the daily charts. If you catching quick swings and the volatile assets, speed up MACD like 8, 21, 5. It will give the signals earlier, but more false entries too. For calm middle term moves on the dailies and the weeklies, slow MACD to 19, 39 and 9. Fewer signals, but cleaner ones. Intraday is a different story. Here some speed matters more than perfect smoothest. Very popular for intraday are 5, 13, 8 or 5, 13, 9 on 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frames. MACD reacts faster, gives more entry points, but without a level. And the price filters, it's just be like a cardiogram. You know, a lot of noise, a lot of entries, a lot of exits. For aggressive scalping on a minute charts, they use even faster settings like 3, 10, 16 or 5, 15, 9. But maximum discipline needed. Without a stops and the clear plan, this MACD will whip you out and your account just blow up. So now let's build a working plan. So it's not just a pretty indicator at the bottom, but a real tool. So step number 1, determine the direction on the higher time frame. If on a daily time frame or H4 MACD is steadily above 0 and MACD line above the signal, only the long trades. Below 0, only the short trades. Step number 2, find entry on your working time frame. For long, I need 3 things. MACD was below 0 and the start rising. MACD line crosses signal from below. Histogram changes color and the grows. Price breaks local resistance or gives a clear bullish pattern. Step number 3, place stop loss behind the nearest swing low or key level. And the step number 4, exit. Simplest, take a profit at the nearest strong level. Flexible, like hold while the histogram grows, exit when MACD turns and the crosses signal the other way. For every single indicator, I repeat again and again and again, any indicator, it's a tool. It's a tool to work with. So it's not a magic, no matter it's a MACD or even my custom indicator set. It's a tool. How you integrate that tool into your trading strategy, into your trading style, into your money management and the risk management. So always filter with the levels, market structure, and overall context. So you have to work in the complex, no matter it's a MACD or RSI, or it's a take profit or the trade on my custom indicator set. Before dumping real money, backtest your settings and the strategy on the history and the demo account on some different assets. Because, for example, some high volatile meme coins can give them more signals. And the coins like a Link, which is more stable, some boring, it can be just a few signals a week. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.